Hello, hello, hello everyone. Welcome to my nookery. My name is Linda and I am in Warrington in the UK, and today we are going to pick the winner of April's yarn giveaway, and the word that you had to type was lime. So just to show you what the what the yarn is, we've got, this is the lime. It's all DK, Stylecraft DK, 100 grams, 100% acrylic. And this is, what colour is this? This is Meadow. And you get some notions as well. You get a hook, a book, stitch markers, a pen, and you get, if I can find it, oh, two, is there two in there? Two tapestry hooks. And then the last yarn is pistachio. So these, I think they will look really, all three will look lovely together. A nice ombre shawl. You could do a hat and mitts and a scarf for the winter. The choice is yours, guys. The choice is yours. So what we're going to do is I'm going to turn round and let's go pick a winner on my computer, shall we? Thank you to everybody for entering anyway. So let's go and pick the winner. So this is the video where I'm going to pick the winner. I've copied the link and I'm going to use this. I know I can't filter for the exact word unless I'm a member of premium, but I'm looking into finding a new random, you know, picker. So for today I'm just going to do this users, and I'll do the sum. Let's get the comments. 188 comments. So good luck everybody. Good luck. Crafty Snail Mum. So I'm going to go and check that Crafty Snail Mum is a member of my channel, and I'll be right back. There we are, guys. You can see that I am a member of her. She is a member of my channel. Okay, Crafty Snail Mum, I need you to email me at lasimpson60@gmail.com. It will be here or here. It'll be somewhere here, and it's also in my about page. I need your postal address, and you have until the 9th of May to reply. I am on holiday, so I will post, if you reply to me before the 9th of May, then your parcel won't go out until after the 10th of May. So you've got plenty of time to contact me. If you've not contacted me by the 9th of May, then you will have forfeited the prize and I'll pick somebody else. Check my about page for my email address. Please email me your postal address, Crafty Snail Mum. And thank you to each and every one of you for subscribing and for taking part in my giveaways. My next giveaway is actually on the 1st of May. May Day, so don't forget to come back and enter that one. And then I've got another giveaway the following week, which is the 8th of May, for my sock yarn giveaway. So you never know, and you don't have to use the sock yarn for socks. You can use it for anything you wish. Hats, gloves, scarves, whatever. So that's all from me for today. Take care everybody, stay safe, but more importantly guys, be kind to you, and until I get back off my holes, bye for now.